welcome back again sa our new vlog. So for today's vlog, we're going to cook tinolang fish or fish tinola. So now, I go to the city early in the morning to buy our gas because it's used up last night. I cook something and I buy this fish. This fish, what do you call this fish, guys? What do you call this fish? It has a dark spot in there. So now we're going to take out the gills and other particles inside the stomach. So, and then after we're doing this, we're going to cut it in half to separate the head from the tail, and it's save either the tail or the heads for another menu or for dinner, because we are now about to what's this? We're just going to cook only a few. We're not going to cook all of this because me, my mother, and my nephew are just here in the house. My father's not here. My sister and her husband is staying in the city, which nearer to her job. So now let's finish this one. So that we can cut it in half. And maybe we're just going to cook the heads. And let's save the tails for dinner. So now, get the big knife to cut it in half. Make sure that you cut it evenly, both sides. We're going to save this food because it's pricey. It's cost me 230 per kilo. So I bought 1 kilo, so it's worth 230 pesos. It's quite expensive. Yes, it's quite expensive nowadays. So now we're done cutting the fish. Now let's clean it up so that we can proceed to cooking. Let's get this Tupperware so that we can put the fish in there. So, I forgot to clean this one. It's different fish, guys. Different type of fish. But we're not going to include it to in our menu. It's fish tinola because it's small. It's not good for tinola. It's good for frying. Other menu, which is paksiw. Now We're almost done. When we're going to separate the other fish and save it for dinner. So now it's clean. Now let's clean the sink. It's cleaning time. So now let's pour out the water. And put it in there. Now we're going to use this for boil water. That will serve the soup for the fish, for our tinola. I don't measure the water, I'm just going to estimate this. Not too much, just only good as it is. See? It's enough, guys, it's enough. Now, we're going to boil the water before we're going to put the fishes. Then let's put some pepper, green pepper. And let's close it. And let's get some lemongrass outside. I forgot to pick earlier. So now let's go there. Where's the lemongrass? Inom na, inom. Got it. Here. Hey, go away. Don't disturb me. Let me try to roll this one. See? I roll it perfectly! The first time, guys, I roll it perfectly. Yes! Then let's clean it, wash it, to remove the dirt with other particles. And let's put it inside. And I forgot to do this. Now let's clean this. So I already done separating the heads and the tail, guys, now. So we're going to cook only the heads for our fish tinola, and the other fish and the tail we're going to save it for dinner. So worth 230 pesos is good for two eating lunch and dinner. So now just going to put some sea salt or this a rock salt, guys. I'm using a rock salt, yeah. And also pick some malunggay leaves and atugabang leaves here. They're done. They're already finished. See, they're finished already. So now let's wait this one to boil. When it boils already, then we're going to add the fish so that we can also add the green leaves, the vegetables that we are preparing now. So we are already prepared, and the rice is cooked. It's ready. So let's wait this one. It's now on its boiling point. So let's wait it a little bit. So let's clean this. We have dishes. It's brown. It's now let's check. It's about to boil, and we prepared some seasoning to add to the taste for taste. So what you doing, guys? How you doing today, guys? What your thoughts about this crisis that's happening now in the world? Not only in the countries, but it's really happening in the world, affecting the whole world, and it changes a lot. Now, how did you adapt the changes? Called a new normal. Here in the Philippines, there are lots of plans, of course, the new normal. We the people, we're also trying to catch up and to adapt to the environment. It's the new normal. Because of the COVID-19 coronavirus, no one can tell where it came from. Who created that virus? We have no idea what's responsible for that virus. The people in the world are now suffering. God, Lord, help us. We will do our thing to save the mankind. Now let's already boil, and let's put the fish. Make sure that, because it's really hot, I'm just using in my bare hand. See? So now I'm going to use this one, and let's wait. When it boils, we're going to put this and that. We're going to put this and that one. So that's how simple to prepare or to cook a fish tinola in a simple way, in my own way. Okay, not other way, not your way, but my own style, my way, my ways, my style, my taste. And so I'm now add the tugabang leaves, and we're going also to put this one, malunggay leaves. And let's push it down, push it and push it. Then we're going to try the taste. If the taste is good or it's enough, then you're good. Now let's taste it. Okay. We need put some season to taste. And later we'll try again. We'll taste again. Let's try again. Yeah, it's good. But let's add some little bit of salt. See that? It's finished, guys. It is finished. Very simple, very quick to cook fish tinola, Filipino style. Then let's close it and let's wait about cook already, guys. No, it's ready to eat, ready for lunch. Then we're going to clean this mess right there. One, put in here. So thank you so much, guys, no, for watching this video. For how to cook fish tinola Filipino style. So this is my style, guys. So these are the fish. See, those are the fish. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click or smash that notification bell so that in every videos will be updated. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video for our new vlog for today. New vlog for this beautiful morning that given by God. So keep safe, guys. Take care always, and God bless. Bye-bye.